Hey, let's be honest for a moment. You've probably sat down at your setup, launched a game, and immediately felt that disconnect, stutters where there shouldn't be, frames that don't keep up, and that constant little voice saying, "This could feel better." The ASUS TUF F16 is for the person who's done settling for almost their performance and low-grade compromises. Before anything else, check the current price and stock, because solid VR-ready machines like this don't stay steady for long. You know that nagging frustration when a big scene drops and your laptop just doesn't keep pace? When you try to stream, game, and multitask all at once and something always feels bogged down. The first time you flip on this machine, all that tension dissolves. It's like someone finally matched your hardware to how fast your mind actually moves, smooth, confident, and immediate. That 165 Hz screen isn't just a number. You feel it every time you turn, react, and lock onto a target. Motion becomes smooth instead of jittery, and sudden action hits clean instead of glitchy. You don't just see performance, you experience it. And when you dive into VR, everything shifts again. The world feels alive, immersive, and responsive, no lag dragging you out of the moment. Picture this: you're deep in a marathon session, graphics high, frames locked, friends in headset chat firing off every direction. Nothing hiccups. Nothing slows. It just works. Gaming becomes effortless, multitasking stays fluid, and even heavier workloads feel like second nature. Once you've felt power that actually keeps up with your pace, anything weaker starts to feel like an old habit you outgrew. Every time you consider a lesser alternative, you come back to this because you already know what that smooth confidence feels like. Don't let hesitation over price swings or stock dips be the reason you look back months from now wishing you didn't wait. And if you're questioning whether this leap really matters, here's the twist most people don't expect: it's not just performance, it's assurance. You sit down knowing your hardware has your back. You're not tensing up waiting for lag or stutter. You just play, create, immerse, and win without that internal pause. Responsiveness that matches your reflexes, graphics that feel alive, and fluid VR immersion that feels natural, multitasking that stays seamless, confidence that you finally upgraded. It's not the cheapest system out there. High specs mean more power draw. At some point, you stop debating specs and just choose the machine you keep imagining, because nothing else keeps pulling you back in the same way. Check the current price and availability now and make the upgrade your future self will thank you for.